JetSetBarbers.com.
Hello everybody, I'm John the Barber, and I'm here to tell you about the Jet Set Fade system. The Jet Set Fade system is so good, anybody, and I mean anybody can cut a fade. And to prove this, I brought my boy, JoJo. JoJo has never cut hair in his life, but he's about to cut my man Rashid.
How you turn the single on? Oh Lord. Am I supposed to move this higher? Just don't move, because it's my first time doing it. And if you move, I get nervous. And if I get nervous, you know, that's just bad. I got you, bro.
Mamba Clat.
What is the 5-step fade system? Simply put, it's a process which consists of 1. Blending in the top. 2. Cutting the first guideline. Make sure to take it all the way around the head. 3. Cut the second guideline. Just as with the first, take it all the way around the head. 4. It's going to fade out the first guideline. And 5. It's going to fade out the second guideline.
JetSetBarbers.com.
Alright, let's begin. For step 1, he's going to take the biggest guards he'll use on this haircut and start blending in the top. Or not. So it looks as if JoJo is skipping step 1 and going right into step 2. Which is okay. It's cool. Wrong. Try not to get lost in the fade, bruh.
I'll take a picture. Don't even worry, man. Don't even worry.
Okay, step 2 is complete. Doesn't have to be perfect.
Give me that bowl.
And it's alright. We're now going into step 3. Remember, Joe, just like step 2, take it all the way around. And we have another major infraction. He hasn't even finished step 3, and he's already started on step 4. Rashid shook him up with that bull.
Bomba Clat.
My fault.
What you doing, man?
My fault. Yeah.
What you doing, man?
Hold real quick.
Hell no, man.
No, I'm not stepping in. He's got to fix it on his own, man.
I mean, you need it.
I reckon natural, man.
Alright.
This is bad. He left the man with a chili bowl. So I'm gonna go grab JoJo and we'll be right back. And where you going, Joe? You can still fix it.
Damn.
Yo, I want a blood clot, yeah, deal with.
Okay, we're back in. Current status, Rashid is pissed, JoJo is not confident in this haircut, and we've gotta finish this. So I had JoJo complete the left side by starting with step 1 and blending from the top down. And after a while, even through Rashid's tears, we could see the fade start to take form. But as we all know, when a grown man cries, there may be instigators. No. Yo, chill out.
JetSetBarbers.com.
Okay, we gotta wrap this up. Alright, cool, I think you got it. I'm about to put you on the clock. Let's start the countdown.
Here we go. Whoa.
The top is blended, check. Yeah, he already did step 2, check. Step 3, finishing a half-ass job, check. Yeah, you got step 4 down, check. Step 5 is the easiest part. Just blend the top into what you already faded and watch the fade take form. And it's done, faded. For more in-depth information, go to JetSetBarbers.com.
Good to go, man.
You rolling?
What you doing?
What you doing, man?
I gotta line you up.
No.
No, what? What you mean? I got,
No, man.
bro. I gotta get you straight.
No. I'm good, bro. I do it natural.
Man, look, check it out, brother. Trust me, I got you. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about, boy. It's fresh.
Here we go. Whoa. Just settle. Oh.
Are you interested in cutting hair or becoming a barber? Get the Book of Barbers with How to Fade, the #1 rated and reviewed book about barbering on Amazon and iTunes.
JetSetBarbers.com